I have a friend of mine who does beautiful, decadent Lebanese sweet. Do you want to check it out? Let's go. Hello beautiful people! If you want to discover a great restaurant around the world or you want to learn expert beautiful cooking tutorials, subscribe now and click on the bell so you don't miss anything.
Oh, hi Mark, how are you? How are you doing?
Mahmoud.
Good, how are you?
Long time, it's been a while I didn't see you. Apparently you have one of the best Lebanese sweets ever in the country.
Thank you
We're
so
gonna
much.
check all of them?
Yes, jump up, let me
Alright,
show
let's
you.
go.
Come on, come on.
What are we gonna try first?
I will show you the Karabij.
Alright.
I really like you to try it. Yes.
Alright, let me show you first of all the Karabij. Oh my god, they're gorgeous. So those are the Cannabis Fingers.
Yes.
Can we try them?
Yes, of course.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's really good. What do they have inside of them?
It's pistachio nuts,
Alright.
and outside it's the Karabij, and outside the cream one, it's natif.
Okay, give me a second. What is this?
This is the Karabij mad. It's the same one, but it's a mad one. It's like flat. It's full of pistachio.
Oh my god.
The natif, it's amazing taste.
Oh my god, it's just beautiful. If you are a pistachio fan, I'm gonna tell you something, you are gonna fall in love with their sweets. Can you explain to me what is natif exactly?
Yeah, we call it shursh al-halawi.
Alright.
Shursh al-halawi.
Right.
We boil it. We make it with white egg and sugar.
Alright, beautiful. Let's go for the next what?
Basbousa, it's a coconut with semolina base and with full of nuts.
To be honest with you, Mahmoud,
Yeah.
when you think about the names, they're really funny.
Yes.
Basbousa, mashmousa,
Yes,
fashmousa.
you know, Arabic name.
So I think this basic inside semolina, you have syrup, pistachio,
Yes.
almonds.
Yes.
It's very sweet, very strong, and very nutty at the same time. So I really, really enjoyed it as well. So what's next?
Next, let me show you the mamul pistachio also.
Alright.
It's fantastic, that one.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Those stuff are just out of this world.
We eat it in all our day. We eat it every time when we travel, when we
Oh my God.
breakfast, lunch, every time, and
Oh my
especially on Eid.
So when you talk celebration, it's all about Ma'moul.
Yes.
So we're learning actually with you here, it's not only about the foods and the sweet, it's also about the culture. I'm gonna call it like when you talk about celebration,
Yeah.
all sorts of celebration, everyone sit, gather around and eat those sweets. This is basically how that happen, right?
Yeah.
All right, beautiful. What's next?
Next, let me show you the mamul mad ashta. This is its very.
Can you tell me again the
very-
name?
Mamul mad ashta.
Do you know, guys, I'm Lebanese. Until now, I always get lost with those names.
Yeah.
I can't remember them, to be honest. All right, oh my God,
This
there's
is
so
the
many
mamul
things.
mad ashta.
Which one?
This one,
All right.
it's amazing with full cream, and we can add a pistachio in the top, of course.
All right.
So let me show you, chef.
All right.
You have to try it.
Man, you're gonna kill me. Fucking so sweet. This is a bit different than the other ones because I have a lot of friends of mine that tells me always Lebanese sweets are very sweet. All right, for all of you who doesn't like really sweet stuff, you can have that one. What's the name again?
Mamul mad ashta.
Mamul ashta.
Yeah, because we don't add a lot of syrup in that.
All right, so ashta is basically a clothed cream. All right, then it have the semolina and the stuff around it. It's not sweet. It's very soft. What can I say? I really love it. It's absolutely beautiful, honestly.
Yeah.
Man, your stuff are really good, Mahmoud. I'm being honest with you. When we talk about baklava, you have a lot of variety in it.
Yeah.
This one is called ba'ji or the other one is called?
Bo'aj, yes.
So
We
ba'ji.
call bo'aj, yes.
Alright.
There is two type of bo'aj.
Alright.
We have pine nuts and cashew nuts, and we have bo'aj with pistachio.
Beautiful. So those basically
Yeah.
are made from a sort of phyllo pastry, right?
Yes,
With
phyllo
the syrup
pastry.
in the same time.
Yes.
This one have cashew nuts and this one have pistachio base,
Pistachio,
right?
yeah. This is the pistachio. You have to try it, chef.
Oh my God, man, that's so.
It's a crispy and
Okay, one
amazing.
sec. Listen.
yeah,
It's very crispy. I think the syrup that it was placed inside was properly done because you can feel the water rose inside of it,
Yes.
and it is beautiful. Oh my God!
Yes, let
And
me
those
show
are
you.
very addictive. If you're gonna start eating one, you're gonna eat all of them.
Let's jump to the kolbush core. This one is also
The names are
fantastic.
really incredible.
It's kolbush core. It's full of nuts.
Mahmoud, what does kolchkor mean?
Kolbush core meaning eat and say thanks.
So they basically eat and say thank you.
Yeah,
Right.
really, it's amazing, that one.
Let's try that one as well. This one you can feel more flavor when you talk about nuts.
Yes, this
It's
is full
much
of
more
nuts.
stronger of
Yes,
nuts with that
full
one.
of nuts, yes.
Oh my God.
Full of nuts. Let's jump to the finger. Finger, we call it finger because
Mahmoud,
it's look
this
like
is the
a
last one I'm
finger.
gonna eat. So those are basically the same thing,
Same things,
but
yeah.
they make them as fingers, right?
Yeah.
All right.
And we have the Burma also. Burma, it's the pistachio one.
All right.
Look, it's vermicelli outside.
You know what you're gonna do?
Yeah.
The Burma, you're gonna try it and tell me what you think about
Yes,
it.
it's
Because me, I
amazing,
can't feel it
really.
anymore.
Look how fantastic, really, believe me, it's amazing.
When you talk Lebanese sweets, you cannot basically focus on one item because it's very famous that they do have a lot of variety. They are truly exceptional.
Hey, beautiful people! So Mahmoud was very generous and he gave me a lot of dishes, a lot of interesting dishes.
And in my opinion, if you pass by to a Lebanese sweets place, there is 4 sweets that in my opinion you have to try. Alright? So let's talk about each one of them. So first of all, you have to try halawet jibn. And halawet jibn, in my opinion, it is out of this world. So what is halawet jibn? Halawet jibn is a, how I'm gonna call it, sweet cheese rolls. Alright? And it's, I know it's weird when you think about it, it's cheese, but it's sweet. But they do make it in a way that have such a gorgeous flavor. Alright? And it's always stuffed with something called ashta, which is a sort of clotted cream. And they top it with a bit of syrup. The syrup is basically based of sugar and with something called miske and as well rose water, all right? Oh my God, that is wonderful, honestly. It's not too sweet. I don't know what to say, but it is gorgeous. The second one that you should always try as well is basically the baklava. And baklava, they have a lot of variety, all right? So you can try whatever you'd like, the pistachio, the cashew base, all of them are similar in flavor. They're crispy, they're very sweet, but they are also so good. Honestly, they are very addictive. They are so good. Oh my God. The Karabij are also a must try. My sister loves them. Every time she comes from Mexico, she goes to Lebanon, she can't stop eating those Karabij. And it is always served with something called natif. Oh my God, that is so good. And the last one that you should always try as well is ma'moul madbi ashta. It is absolutely beautiful. I can't stop eating those sweets. First of all, Mahmoud, I really appreciate that. Was
Thank
a
you so
beautiful,
much.
honestly, adventure. I really enjoyed all the sweets that you made for us.
Thank you so
and,
much.
And for everyone that is watching this vlog, if you pass by here and you say super califragilisticexpialidocious, that's a secret word, he will give you something for free.
For sure.
Right?
For sure.
All right. Thank you again. Thank you for watching this vlog.
Do not forget to subscribe and see you soon.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
All right.
All right.